In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the green screen issue on YouTube videos in Chrome quickly and safely. This is a common problem and it can happen because of Chrome settings, corrupted cache, outdated graphics drivers, or even browser extensions. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling anything. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is disable hardware acceleration in Chrome. Open Google Chrome, then click the three dots in the top right corner and go into Settings. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and click System. Here, look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If this is turned on, switch it off. After that, click Relaunch so Chrome can restart with the new setting applied. This step fixes green screen problems in a lot of cases because it stops Chrome from relying on your GPU for video rendering. If the issue is still there after Chrome restarts, the next thing to try is simply refreshing the YouTube page. Press Ctrl and R on your keyboard to reload the video. Sometimes the green screen is just a temporary rendering glitch, and a refresh is all it takes to make the video display properly again. If that doesn't work, move on to clearing Chrome's cache. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together. A new window will open where you can choose what data to remove. Make sure to select cached images and files and cookies and other site data. Then click Delete Data. A damaged or outdated cache can absolutely interfere with YouTube playback, so clearing it is a very important step. Next, it's a good idea to update your graphics drivers. Outdated GPU drivers are one of the most common causes of weird video display issues, including green screens. On Windows, press Windows and X on your keyboard, then click Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, then right-click your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Follow the on-screen instructions and let Windows search for the latest driver. Once that's done, restart your computer if needed. After that, go back to Chrome and check whether the problem is fixed. If the green screen is still showing, the next step is to update Google Chrome itself. Open Chrome, click the three dots again, then go to Help and click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, install it. Then click Relaunch so the browser restarts with the latest version. New Chrome versions often include bug fixes and video playback improvements, so this step is definitely worth doing. Now, if none of that has worked yet, the final thing to check is your extensions. Some extensions can interfere with YouTube videos and cause playback problems like green screens or corrupted video rendering. Click the three dots in Chrome, go to Extensions, and open Manage Extensions. From there, temporarily disable anything that could affect video playback, such as ad blockers, video enhancement tools, dark mode extensions, or VPN extensions. After disabling them, refresh YouTube and test the video again. If the green screen disappears, you'll know one of those extensions was the cause. You can then turn them back on one by one to find the exact one creating the issue. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix green screen problems on YouTube videos in Chrome. Start with hardware acceleration, then refresh the page, clear your cache, update your graphics driver, update Chrome, and finally disable extensions if needed. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.